small logging town in the Sierra Nevada mountains contacted us. They need our help with a haunted area of a nearby forest. This area is haunted by a vicious, shape-shifting demon. He has already claimed the lives of several teenagers. We've been tasked with eliminating this threat. Once we're in position, I'll give you the all clear. Sounds good.
I'll be on the radio and give Cawn the message.
Is your earpiece in place? Yes.
Good. As long as you're sure your plan is going to work, we should be fine. Trust him. It'll work. This town needs our help to eliminate this evil.
Just be careful.
We will.
We're almost to the location.
The vegetation is dense along the river.
We could cut through up there and cross over that ridge.
Sounds good.
This is it!
What is that thing?
It's his marker.
That thing is hideous.
Yes, it is. My meter's going off the scale. Time to get his attention.
Okay, I'll let Cawn and Lee know. Cawn? Lee? We are in position. Get ready.
Here we go.
I hope you're right about this.
Who dares to destroy my marker? How foolish to think you could just shoot me.
Ah!
Are you prepared to die?
One question.
What?
Are you prepared to go back to hell?
And how do you think you're going to do that?
Destroying that stupid gem in your forehead.
You can't even move, and you think you could hurt me?
Not us. We're just bait. Clear to fire.
Copy that. Send it.
No! How?
I always do my research. Now go back to hell.
No!
Thanks, guys. Great shot, Cawn.
Thanks. Are you guys heading back in now?
Yes, we are on our way.
This town can rest easy now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.